Most people use banks every single day, but very few people actually understand how banking works. Why does a deposit get placed on hold? Why do transactions show as pending? Why do fees sometimes seem to come out of nowhere? This channel exists to answer those questions, simply, clearly, and without hype. Welcome to How Banking Works. This channel explains how the banking system operates behind the scenes, from checking accounts and credit cards to deposits, holds, loans, and everyday bank policies that confuse people. This content is for general educational purposes only. There are no stock tips, no investing strategies, and no personalized financial advice. Banking feels complicated because most of it happens in the background. When you swipe a card, write a check, or make a payment, your money doesn't move instantly. It moves through processing systems, payment networks, clearing periods, and fraud checks that most people never see. Banks also operate under strict legal and regulatory requirements, even when it feels frustrating or inconvenient. That's why a deposit may be available one day but not another, why a payment might disappear and reappear, and why a transaction can post differently than expected. On this channel, you'll learn things like why banks place holds on checks, what available balance really means, why overdrafts happen, how FDIC insurance works, and why banks sometimes ask questions about deposits. Every video focuses on explaining how the system works, not telling you what you should or shouldn't do. The goal is simple. When something confusing happens with your bank, you'll understand why. If you've ever felt confused or blindsided by something your bank did, you're in the right place. Subscribe for clear, straightforward explanations of how banking actually works.